In this video, we're going to talk about the role of the subconscious mind in creativity. Beneath the visible landscape of thought and reason, there lies a deep forest of the subconscious. It's a place where the roots of creativity intertwine, where the seeds of ideas lie dormant until the conditions are right. This part of the mind is a hidden reservoir, storing the memories, experiences, and notions that drift beneath the surface of conscious thought. The subconscious is a powerful undercurrent. It flows continuously, sifting and sorting through your experiences, combining them in new ways, forming fresh ideas while you navigate the daily terrain. It's like the unseen creatures of the forest, working silently, shaping the environment even when the observer is unaware. Tapping into this rich source is about learning to listen to the rustles and whispers that emerge from the underbrush of your mind. It's about fostering a connection with your inner wilderness, understanding how to interpret the signs and symbols that your subconscious uses to communicate. Creating pathways for these deeper thoughts to surface can be achieved through practices like meditation and mindfulness. These quiet moments can part the foliage, giving you glimpses into the depths. Activities like journaling or sketching without aim allow your mind to roam untethered, tracing the paths that lead into the subconscious. Dreams, too, are the subconscious speaking in vivid imagery. Capturing these fleeting narratives upon waking can provide a direct line to the creative insights that simmer below your waking mind. It's also about trust. Trusting that beneath the calm exterior, there's a flurry of activity, ideas taking root and growing. Sometimes the best way to nurture creativity is to step back, to let the subconscious do its work, to wait for the moment when it reveals its hidden treasures. Your subconscious is a silent partner in the creative process. It's always active, always ready to offer its riches. Learning to harness its power is like learning to navigate the wild. It requires patience, respect, and a sense of adventure. So venture into the depths, listen to the whispers, and watch as the unseen becomes seen, transforming your art and your understanding of your own creative potential. I hope you liked this video. If you did, I have another video you might be interested in, and it's about understanding the creative process. And I break it down into easy steps to understand. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.